Huawei has introduced something new and interesting with its latest flagship, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max Wind Edition. This device is packed with powerful features, but one of the most talked about additions is a new memory system that promises faster and smoother performance. This feature is called HyperSpace Memory technology, and it's Huawei's answer to improving how smartphones handle multitasking and performance. If you've ever used a phone where apps reload again and again, or where switching between apps feels slow, then this feature is designed to fix exactly that. To understand why this matters, let's quickly talk about RAM. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is what your phone uses to handle active apps. It allows you to switch between apps quickly, run multiple tasks at once, and keep everything running smoothly. The more efficient the RAM, the better your phone performs. Now, the Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max Wind Edition takes this idea to the next level with HyperSpace Memory technology. This system works in a smart way by using part of the phone's internal storage as virtual RAM. So even if your phone has 16 GB of actual RAM, it can behave like it has around 20 GB. This concept is similar to what some other brands are doing. For example, Honor offers something called Smart RAM, which also expands memory using storage. But Huawei claims it has made significant improvements with its version. The key improvement here is memory compression. HyperSpace Memory technology increases compression efficiency by about 45%. What does that mean in simple terms? It means the phone can store more active data in the same space, making better use of the available memory. This leads to one big advantage: apps stay open longer in the background. Huawei says the keep alive rate for background apps has improved by 67%. So when you switch between apps, they are less likely to reload. Everything feels faster and more seamless. Huawei also compared this feature to other Android phones and claimed even bigger improvements. According to the company, memory compression can improve by up to 69%, and app retention can increase by 100%. These are big numbers, and if they hold up in real-world use, they could make a noticeable difference in daily performance. But HyperSpace Memory technology is not the only thing powering this device. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max Wind Edition also includes a turbofan system, which is designed to keep the phone cool during heavy use. This is especially useful for gaming or running demanding apps for long periods. On top of that, the phone comes with a flagship-level chipset, ensuring strong overall performance. When you combine that with the advanced memory system, the result is a device that is built for speed, multitasking, and high performance. For gamers, this could be a big deal. A phone that can keep apps running smoothly, avoid lag, and stay cool under pressure is exactly what many users are looking for. The improved memory handling means fewer interruptions and a more stable experience overall. Even for everyday users, the benefits are clear. Whether you're switching between social media apps, watching videos, or browsing the web, the phone is designed to handle everything without slowing down. What's interesting here is how Huawei is focusing not just on adding more RAM, but on using it more efficiently. Instead of simply increasing numbers, the company is improving how the system works behind the scenes. That's a smarter approach, especially as smartphones become more powerful and complex. The Huawei Mate 80 Pro Max Wind Edition is shaping up to be a strong contender in the flagship market. With features like HyperSpace Memory technology, a cooling system, and powerful hardware, it's clear that Huawei is aiming to deliver a premium experience. The phone is expected to go on sale soon, and it will be interesting to see how these features perform in real-world use. If everything works as promised, this could be one of the most powerful and efficient smartphones available right now.